After facing the frustrating problem of a broken edit canvas in Fusion 360 myself and testing many different solutions, I finally found several reliable methods that truly work to restore functionality, and I am excited to share them with you right now. First, we look at your Fusion 360 software itself. A recent update or patch can corrupt program parts. By checking for new updates, running built-in repair tools, and ensuring system compatibility, you give Fusion 360 a fresh start. This helps rebuild damaged files or settings, ensuring internal parts work together correctly. Next, we focus on your computer's graphics drivers. The edit canvas relies heavily on your graphics card. If drivers are old, faulty, or incompatible with the new patch, the canvas won't display correctly. Updating or rolling back drivers fixes communication issues between the software and hardware. This ensures your computer speaks the right language to Fusion 360, letting it draw the canvas as intended. Then, we dive into Fusion 360's internal data and temporary files. Over time, the program collects cached data. If this data gets corrupted or too large, it breaks the canvas. Clearing this old data removes bad information confusing the program. Resetting preferences also ensures Fusion 360 starts with a clean slate for its display settings. Finally, we consider other programs or settings on your computer causing trouble. Other software, like antivirus programs, can interfere with Fusion 360's operation. These conflicts block Fusion 360 from accessing resources needed for the canvas. Temporarily disabling these interferences isolates the problem, allowing Fusion 360 to run freely. This is how you can achieve the Fusion 360 edit canvas broken after patch fix 2026 that you need.